Hello guys, today I'm very excited to show you this product that I asked. It says especially for you. Have fun and celebrate in your favorite way because it is your special day, okay? Look at the package, how it is. I love it and I think it is super incredible. Okay, it is super like with a lot of color. And when you open it, the product, it comes like this. Look how beautiful it is. It has a teddy bear here that it says love you. I like it a lot. I really it's incredible. It has 6 flowers, okay? They came like this, and here it comes the product, okay? So I'm going to open it. It's also beautiful, this package. When you open it, let me show you the product. It is like this. I'm going to show you. It is a heart and it says there love you, and it has here this like this beautiful heart. Okay, I'm going to try it and then I'm going to show you. This is a heart-shaped infinity necklace that it has engraved here the word love you, and it has here some details in this part, okay? So I'm going to be putting it. That's it. Look how beautiful it looks. I'm going to get closer to show you. Okay, I like a lot this product. Look how beautiful it looks with my outfit I have in this moment, okay? And well, I like it because you can use it like maybe this way, or you can put it a little bit down like this, okay? And it still looks super beautiful. Let me take it off, okay? I'm going to take it off carefully. And well, I like it too much. I hope you like it also.